I'm amazed. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another Temu haul, but this one's gonna be like vacation summer-ish edition. Thank you Temu for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to use my code for money off. So let's just jump right in. And honestly, I done forgot what I ordered, so okay, starting off with this bag. I love see-through bags for the beach and vacation, so you can see what you have and make sure you don't forget anything. Let me open it up so y'all can see how big it is. It just says play and enjoy. I am ready to leave at any time. Yes, but there is another compartment down here at the bottom. Let's see. Oh, so this is a cooler insulated type of bag with another additional compartment in it. So this is literally perfect for food and drinks at the bottom, and then towels and stuff on top. Then I was super excited to get this. They have so many different colors in this bottle. Every year I feel like I'm getting a new one of these because I lose it or break it or something. But this material is super durable, seems like. 64 ounces or 2,000 milligrams, whichever one you want to use. And then it does have the motivational quotes, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So it does have the button where you just open it, and my favorite part is the straw. Y'all, I hate having water bottles where I have to do like this. It is so easier just to, you know what I'm saying? So this will definitely be in use and it will last all day. Let me see if it fits in this bag, because that would be perfect. It's almost the same size as the bag. Actually, this does. It's good enough. Next up, this is not beach related, but I do just have some pair of black comfortable socks. I think I was just running low on them and I just wanted to order them, but these feel super soft, y'all, and I'm not sure if it's one size fit all, but it might be. Yeah, it might just be one size fit all, but these were super affordable, so I just went ahead and grabbed these. And they do have other colors in this as well. I did get another bag. This is another travel type of bag. This is a bag where you put your liquids in and just stuff in your suitcase. If I can open it. So there is a whole lot of room for your bottles to go in here. And y'all, of course I got this because it's pink, my favorite color. And I love that it has a see-through thing right here, so you can see all your products without even opening up the bag. And then I got this umbrella. I would open it, but I'm in the house. I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen. But y'all, this is literally so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all know the rain is out on those summer days sometimes, so I needed me a cute little umbrella, and of course I got pink. And of course it fits inside my bag. And then I got these combs. This is not necessarily summer related, but I just needed to re-up on my rat tail comb because I ran out. It got me a summer outfit, super cute. It's this pink, black, and white shirt, and then it came with these biker shorts. So super cute, super stretchy as well. So this is maybe something you can walk around the hotel in, chilling, eating after a long pool day, beach day. We have a lot of little knick-knacky things and jewelry. So I do have, I don't know if you can see it, have one of them in right now. But then I also have all of these. So some very small ones, medium, large, extra large earrings, super sparkly. And I've been wearing these for the past week and they haven't like changed or anything, so good quality. Then we have these super cute press-on nails. So cute and fitting for the summer. I can't wait to wear these. Let me see if it does it. So with these nails, there's no glue like you pour on your nail and then stick it. It does come with a sticker, so you just pull the sticker off and then stick it to your nail. Then we have these super simple cute silver earrings. I forgot I had these. Y'all see? Yeah. Super cute. I should put these on. And then y'all, I love anklets. I've been loving anklets this summer. And then if this is just a simple anklet, this is like one of my everyday anklets I probably would wear. Not too sparkly, not too shiny, just kind of there. Then y'all, I am super excited about this because this is a fan, okay? Now I don't know how to necessarily put this together, so let me see. So it comes in two parts. I'm gonna spin it on right here. And this is like a bendy kind of material. I thought it would be like hard. Okay, you stick it in here. Okay. So you grab your phone, right? So you stick it in the bottom of your, okay, my case is too big, y'all. Let me take my case off. So I stick it in the bottom of my phone. Let's see what happens. My brother's looking at me. Okay, y'all. I'm amazed. It kind of does cut off at random times, but oh my, and it blows good too. Then we have the very last thing, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it together because I'm in the house, but it is a, ooh. I don't know if I can put this together. Hold on 1 second. There's a zipper on, huh?
So you better stop so it don't come back open.
Mom!
Mom, just come here for 2 seconds, please.
Okay, unfortunately, I cannot get my tent back together. Oh, it does come with 2 metal pieces, so I think that's how it gets stable. Yeah, I think there's 4 metal pieces in here, and that's gonna stabilize it at the bottom. But y'all, that is all for my Temu summer vacation / random jewelry stuff. And don't forget to use my code for money off on your purchase at Temu. Make sure you download the app to get special discounts. And I will see you guys in my next video.